Hello and welcome to Benji's Food Corner. This video is a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity to make quick and easy cheese and cracker plates. But before I start, I wanted to say that some commenters were not thrilled with the ramen cooking methods in my last video. Because of this, I will never cook or eat ramen ever again. Now, let's begin! For my cheese, I'm using Mini Baby Bell Mozzarella because it's my favorite. These are good crackers. The final step is a beverage. I chose milk, but if you want to, you can drink something else. Now, let's see how fast I was able to make this meal. Wow! World record! Well, I hope you enjoyed. If you want to try and beat my time, use hashtag Benji's Food Corner. Submit your attempt, and I might include it in the next episode. Goodbye!